This is such a beautiful morning. You can see my bacha sitting over there. Good morning everyone. Namaste and welcome to Little Things Matter. I am Kiran and today I have got a very interesting South Indian recipe and it's everybody's favorite. And before we get started, let me have my breakfast first. So guys, my breakfast is ready. As you can see, I'm having neer dosa in my breakfast. It's very soft and I'm having it along with the curry. So I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. So friends, I have done with my breakfast and now it is the recipe revealing time. So today I am going to show you how to make masala dosas, how I make masala dosas, and the recipe has been borrowed from my amma, my mom. It's very easy to make and anybody can make it. So let's get started. So friends, here I am using this glass as a measurement cup. You can take any type of bowl or such kind of glasses. And so let's get started. So here I am using 1 cup of dosa rice, 1 glass of India Gate Basmati Tukda rice, and 1 cup of mix of all the 3 dals. This is chana dal. So I have taken chana dal, then I am adding urad dal and this is arhar ki dal or tuar dal. So I have taken a glass full of 3 kind of dals: chana dal, urad dal and tuar arhar dal. And finally I am going to add 1.5 teaspoon of methi seeds. I am also adding 1/3 cup of poha or puffed rice. If you don't have poha or puffed rice, you can also go for murmura, which we use for bhel. So now I am going to wash this mixture of rice and dal for 2 to 3 times and soak it for about 4 to 5 hours. So friends, I have washed and soaked the rice and dal mixture for masala dosa. And now it's the lunch preparation time, so I'm thinking of making bhindi ki sabzi, some dal and rice for lunch. तो फ्रेंड्स, भिंडी की सब्जी मैंने यहाँ पे चढ़ा दी है और साइड में मैं रख रही हूँ कुकर में फॉर मेकिंग दाली तोय एंड सीड. कोंकणी में, सिंस वी आर कोंकणीज, दाली तोय इज दाल, सीजन्ड दाल, एंड सीड इज राइस. सो आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू मेक दाली तोय. दाली तोय बनाने के लिए मैंने अरहर की दाल धो के यहाँ पे सोक करके रखा है करीब 10-15 मिनट्स पहले. And now I am going to add these green chilies, just about 3 to 4 green chilies. आपको ये ऐसे स्लिट स्लिट करके इसमें डाल देना है। आशु जी की जूम करिए, जूम लास्ट होता है पूरा लाइन ना इतना सब है। So friends, the language which I am speaking to my daughter is Konkani. So I have added green chilies, slitted green chilies to the dal, and now we are going to boil it for 3 to 4 whistles. जब तक दाल चावल बन रहे सीटी आ रही है, आई एम टेकिंग रेस्ट एंड आई एम हैविंग अ मग ऑफ वाटर। दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट मग एंड ये करीब इसको मैंने लिया था 2012 में। सो 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 8 years ओल्ड है ये मग। एंड ये कौन है? ये कौन बच्चा है? ये कौन है? एंड इनसे मिलिए, ये है हमारा छोटा सा बच्चा एंड इसका नाम है डूबी। एंड डूबी इज़ 4 years ओल्ड बच्चा। डूबी इज़ 4 years ओल्ड। और जब यहाँ पे आए थे हम रहने के लिए तो कोई इसको पाल के छोड़ के चला गया था एंड सिंस देन शी हैज़ एडॉप्टेड अस। सो she is very special to us. Huh? Say hi. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello. Say hi. High five दो सबको, high five दो, high five दो सबको, high five. High five. Friends, मैं जा रही हूँ शॉप एंड before going I'm washing my hands just because I have touched to be ready to go. तो अब हम निकल रहे हैं शॉपिंग के लिए। आ गए हैं शॉपिंग करके ग्रोसरी की, अभी हम करेंगे। सो दाल को मैंने कुकर में से निकाल ली है एंड आई एम अगेन रीहीटिंग इट। इसको आपने बॉईल होने तक अच्छे से मिक्स करना है। आई हैव एडेड 1.5 teaspoon ऑफ सॉल्ट, यू कैन ऐड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस। और ये इसको बॉईल आना शुरू हो गया है एंड आई एम स्विचिंग ऑफ द गैस। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने घी ऑलरेडी मेल्ट करके रखा है फॉर द तड़का। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सरसों मस्टर्ड सीड्स, अबाउट 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I am going to add this hing and then goes the करी पत्ता। करी पत्ता को आप थोड़ा ऐसे क्रश करके इसके अंदर डालेंगे। And now the tadka is ready. You can also add red chilies, but I am skipping it. You know that it's ready. And now I am going to add this tadka to the dal. So friends, my dali toy is ready as you can see. So friends, ये हमने दाल एंड राइस का मिक्सचर भिगाया था एंड ये भी के अभी 4 to 5 hours हो चुके हैं। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ग्राइंड इट टू अ स्मूथ बैटर एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस आई हैड शोन यू कि इसमें 1/3 cup ऑफ पोहा हमने लिया था, तो इवन दैट आई हैव सोक्ड इन वाटर। सो वी आर गोइंग टू ग्राइंड दिस फर्स्ट। So I have grinded the mixture to a smooth batter as you can see, and poha I am grinding separately and then I'll add it to the dosa batter. So here I have added the grounded poha to this batter and give it a nice mix. The batter has to be of pouring consistency, not very thick and not very watery. Now that the batter is ready, we are going to keep it aside in a covered container and let it ferment for about 10 to 12 hours. Now we are going to make red chili chutney, which we will apply on inner side of the dosa so that it gives authentic look and taste of Mysore masala dosa. For that we need soaked red chilies. So few red chilies 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. So here you don't need to add water for grinding. After grinding, the chutney will look something like this. So friends, the batter that we had set aside had fermented and doubled in volume, and now I am going to add salt to it. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and give it a good mix. So friends, now that the batter is ready, let's move on to making the masala for the dosa, and for that we need boiled, peeled and chopped potatoes. Here I have taken 5 potatoes, then 7 to 8 onions, thinly sliced. Then we need green chilies. Here I have taken 3 green chilies, a sprig of curry leaves, then mustard seeds. You will be requiring 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and a pinch of hing, haldi powder, oil, and for garnishing you need finely chopped coriander leaves. I have heated the kadai. Add oil, add chana dal, add urad ki dal, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Fry it till it becomes golden brown. Hing, then add curry leaves, add green chilies, then add onions. Don't add all the onions right now, just a handful. आधा onion बचा के रखा है, this will add later. So fry it till becomes little goldenish. Now add haldi powder, so at this point you have to add this remaining onions. Give it a good mix. Now you have to cook this in little water. So I'll cover and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. So friends, onions are cooked. Now we are going to add potatoes. And salt as per your taste. So now again we have to cover the lid, cover it with lid and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the excess water gets absorbed. So friends, as you can see, all the excess water has been absorbed. It's completely dry, so it means that your sabzi is ready, masala is ready. And now I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. Here you can switch off your gas. Friends, here comes the main part of this vlog, and that is taking out dosas. So I have heated the dosa pan. This pan is almost I think 15 years old, and yeah, it's heated. So I'm applying butter and spread it all over the pan. Then you have to sprinkle some water on it, wipe it off, then add the dosa batter and spread it evenly. Some more. Start from the center. Yes. Now sprinkle the generous amount of butter or ghee or oil as per your preference. Don't forget to apply the chutney, red chili chutney, which we made earlier. Very little because it's very spicy, so it depends upon your choice. If you like spicy, then you can add more chili chutney to it. Once you start seeing the brownish part here, you can add the masala in the center. So you can see the sides are leaving. Now is the time to fold it like this, and from the other side as well. Like this. Let it cook here. So the dosa is ready and we are going to take it on this plate. So friends, this is how I make masala dosas, and I am enjoying it with my favorite chutney, that is peanut chutney. You can have it with your own choice of chutney or sambar, and do try this recipe at home and write and comment me in the section below that which other South Indian dishes would you like to see in future. Till then, bye and namaste.